Hello, this is example number 7 from the day 6 notes from area of a trapezoid practice. Given an isosceles trapezoid ABFE with legs AE and BF, and an isosceles trapezoid ABCD with the legs being AD and BC. So let's go ahead and mark those in. We know these two segments will be congruent and these two will be congruent. The height of an isosceles trapezoid ABCD is going to be 10 root 3. So let's go ahead and label that in. And let's label it in both spots because over here that will help us because it'll then create a 30, 60, 90 triangle. It also was given that AE is equal to 13 feet. So we can also label our 13 here. Determine the exact area of the shaded region. So therefore, we're going to have to find the areas of both of our figures and then subtract them from each other. So to start, let's determine our length of AD because we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So to figure out what our side across from 30 is, we'll call it X. We can say that 10 root 3 is equal to X root 3. And if we divide both sides by the square root of 3, we get that X, or that side length, is equal to 10. So we can go ahead and replace it, and it will become 10. We also know that the side across from 90 degrees is going to be 2x, but we don't really need that here. I can also say that my length here is 10 feet as well, meaning that my length from my two heights would be 36 feet minus 20, making that 16 feet. I can then come here and say, oh, well that now gives me the length of AB. So we'll add that in. We know that the length of AB is going to be 16 feet. Now looking here, okay, we have all the information we need for our big trapezoid, trapezoid ABCD. Now we need to find our information for our smaller trapezoid ABFE. So we'll draw in our height. And we know that these two are going to have to be, these two lengths are going to have to be congruent. So, and we know that this is going to be 6 feet from the side across, meaning that those two lengths will have to be split and add up to be 16. So they will both be 5 feet. And now this is one of our Pythagorean triples. A 5, 12, 13, so we can say that both of these heights in this trapezoid are 12. Now we have all the information we need to find the area of the shaded region. So let's come over here. So let's find the area of our bigger trapezoid. So it's 1/2 my base of 36 plus my base of 16 times that height of 10 root 3. And we'll subtract it from our littler trapezoid, which times 1/2, and we have a base of 6 plus 16 times our height of 12. Now, when we simplify this, we will get that the area of our shaded region is 260 square root of 3 minus 132 feet squared.